What's good, Mount World fam, man? I'm back with another one, man. And first off, I'm just starting out this video. I apologize to y'all because when I first started it, man, I said I was gonna be real consistent and giving y'all content and keeping y'all through the loop. But I haven't been doing that, man. I've been working and I ain't been doing much with the car at all. So as y'all see by the thumbnail, man, this is just a planned reveal and keeping y'all in the loop because, man, I was just going about it any kind of way, man. I just started just working on the car, just doing anything I can just to get my hands on it. And y'all know, man, when you get something new or finally deciding or you want to do a project, man, you just want to get your hands on it. You just want to do something to make it seem like you being productive. But I was going about it with no kind of plan, man. So I'm finna give y'all that plan, that rundown on what y'all gonna see coming up. Cause I wanna keep y'all in the loop, man. I don't wanna keep y'all, guessing what I'm gonna do next and all that. On my last video, man, I told y'all I was gonna plan some stuff out. So you know what? I decided to do this video today, man. And yeah, we finna get into it, man. Just stay tuned. All right, y'all, man. Yeah, man, we back out to the car, man. And if y'all see, man, I ain't did nothing to the car. I ain't did nothing to it. I ain't even had time to put my hands on it or nothing. The last time y'all seen it, man, I was taking the seats out. And I did take the seat out. I was successful in doing it. But that's it, man. Ever since then, I just been working, trying to take care of home and all that. I ain't really had time to do nothing with the car. But yeah, we finna get this thing rolling now that I'm, a little bit situated at home, man. So, y'all gotta take care of biz at home, man. Don't try to do nothing without making sure home is straight first. That's my big thing, man. I never wanted to, do stuff out of the way if home ain't straight, man. So yeah, that's what I've been doing, man. But yeah, we got the next thing I plan on doing, man, is doing my rear end. Yeah, the rear end gonna get took out of the car that's in there now, and I'm going with a stronger rear end, man. I'm going with a stronger rear end. We're gonna get this thing to my buddy. I already contacted him, man. He done gave me a price and all that. All he said is I got to do is get all the parts to go to it so he can do it. And yeah, this is a 8.2 for people who don't know about cars. You probably won't know what that is, but this is a stronger rear end than what I got in there. I'm really not gonna be racing the car, but not racing the car a lot. But I might put the car on the track. That's my plan, man. End up giving me a time and all that. As y'all see, it ain't got nothing. This thing ain't got nothing in it, man. All it got is the axles. I gotta figure out what the axles is, what size the axles is and all that, and then I can go from there. But I'm gonna end up look at my little cousin. My little cousin want me. I'm down here, my little cousin, man. But yeah, like I was saying, we gotta get a chunk. So not a chunk, but we gotta get a posse unit. I'm gonna get new axles. We gotta get the gears, ring and pinion. I'm going with, I may go with a 373. I'm still not decided. It's between a 373 and a 355. So I got to get that. And what I said, posse, axles, ring and pinion, and I got to get the housing cover, man. That's all I know I got to get to finish that part. And my buddy gonna tell me what all I need to do to finish this thing up. And then that'll be that. Yeah, that'll be it for the rear end. And then we got to get the shocks. We're going with new shocks all the way around. We're going with new shocks all the way around, man. Brand new, front and back. We're going with new shocks. We're going with new control arms. And that'll be, I gotta get my crowd member. Then I got to get my transmission. Showtime got my transmission, so shout out to Showtime, man, for being patient with your boy. And he tried to help me out the best way he can, man. They're really a good guy. And y'all gonna see him on the vlog too when I go pick the transmission. Yeah, mainly I just been trying to get the engine done, and what I got left on the engine is basically my top end. I'm waiting on them to get parts in because it real hard for them to get parts in right now. I believe they are super behind. So I got to get cylinder heads, roller rockers, all types of stuff, man. Just a little stuff just to finish my top end. And then we're gonna work on the accessories like power steering pump, water pump, and all that to go around the engine, man. So yeah, I just been trying to get that engine done so we can get power. When we get power, man, it gonna be so much smoke in the city, man. I swear. I mean, y'all really gonna start loving these videos. Then once I start getting y'all some top smoke, I'm telling you, cause it's gonna be a whole lot of it. And then really we got to pull up on Unc, man. We ain't even seen what Unc got done with his car. The last time I showed his car, he ain't even had no wheels on the car. So we're gonna see what he up to, but I don't know if it's gonna be on this vlog. It probably be on a later video, and we're gonna see what he got going on. But yeah, man, that's mainly what I'm trying to do to get the car running and get it up and moving, man. What else I got to get? I already talked to the paint man. The car ain't gonna go to the paint shop until I'm done with the engine, man. It ain't gonna go to the paint shop till I'm done with the engine. That's just what it is. I mean, I ain't even worried about how it look right now. I just wanted to get it running, man. I just wanted to get it running right, crispy and clean. And once that sucker get done, man, once the engine get done, I'm gonna give y'all a whole lot of top smoke, man. I'm gonna give y'all so much action, man. I'm telling you, we going everywhere. I don't know. I'm trying to talk to my mechanic, man. We trying to come up with a number. We trying to come up with a number for ourselves on how much power it's gonna make. And it's been a real interesting conversation. He got a number in his head, I got a number in my head. So yeah, when the engine get done, we shipping it to the dyno. And if y'all been watching my videos, the last video I said I'm gonna do a giveaway, man, on how much power that thing make. If you guess closest to how much power it make, man, I'm giving you something. I'm giving you a cash prize. That's what it is. That's what it is. And I'm gonna stick to that. And then we going to get new tail lights, new headlights. I said I was gonna put them in first, but I really didn't want to do it because we got to get the battery, where the battery go, the placement. We got to get that in there, and then we're gonna have power to the car to see if the car really need wiring up and all that. And then I can put my headlights in there and my tail lights. With the tail lights, man, I'm trying to go a sequential. I'm trying to go super, I'm trying to go a little bit unique. I think it'll be unique, have sequential tail lights. But yeah, I think it'll be real unique for me to have sequential tail lights. I mean, somebody else already got them probably, but I just think I would love that look, the sequential tail lights. My headlights are gonna be halogen. They're gonna be gold. The park lights gonna be gold all around the headlights, all four. And then when you turn on the park light, they'll be regular. So nothing special about those. I'm gonna change the hood out. The hood, this regular old hood right here, this hood right here will be taken off. I'm going with fiberglass hood because I need a hood scoop anyway. I don't want to go cowl because I want to make it a little bit lighter, just a little bit. And we got to get the bumper fixed. The bumper needs tightening up because it's moving. You can see that. It's moving. So we got to fix that too. And yeah, man, after I do all of that, we'll be ready to roll. We're going to be ready to roll, man. So I'm just keeping y'all updated, man. Keeping y'all playing reveal so y'all won't be out of the loop. And y'all stay tuned to the video, man. And that's all I got for y'all today, man. They wasn't intended to be. I'm not touching the car today. No, sir. I'm just not doing no work today, man. I've been working too hard as is. So that's all I got for y'all today, man. And as more stuff come along, man, you know, I'm gonna give y'all the whole scoop. I'm gonna keep y'all in the loop. Y'all ain't gonna, you know, y'all ain't gonna miss out on nothing. I'm gonna keep y'all in the loop, man. So yeah, man, stay tuned for the video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, man. If you want to see that, if you like that kind of content, man, like, share, and subscribe. Make sure y'all hit that notification bell if y'all do like the content. For every time I post, every time I drop, YouTube will send y'all a notification saying I drop, man, so y'all can go check them videos out, man. But yeah, that's all I got for y'all, and y'all hope y'all have a great day, man. And I'm out. Let's go. Yeah, we back in the car, man, and I had ended the video prematurely, man, but I just want to let y'all know, hey, I appreciate y'all for subscribing to the page, man, for liking and commenting on the videos and all that. I appreciate y'all for watching the videos, even to click on my video, man. It means a lot to me. But yeah, I'm just here to say this before I end out the video completely. I know this is a long process. This is gonna be a long, drawn out process, man, before y'all get any top smoke, any action, any, you know, speed videos, me acting up, me acting, you know, wild and crazy, enjoying myself inside the car. But I'm here to tell y'all, man, when you building something like this, when you doing something like this, man, it is not a easy process. It is not a quick process. You're gonna have to go through things. You're gonna have to plan your stuff out, man. You're gonna have to have a plan, man, because if you just go in this stuff blind and just buying stuff, man, I ain't saying you're gonna have a problem, but the chances are you are gonna run into some problems. And I'm trying to avoid that by all costs, if I can. Dealing with the old school, man, y'all know it come with a whole bunch of problems, man. Like when stuff just going good, something just got to go wrong. You just got to put your hands on it. It's just what it is. And I'm more than prepared, man. If y'all hear these rooster, man, if y'all hear these rooster, man, I know y'all hear them, man. I'm sorry, man. We in the country. I'm a country man, and man, we got all kind of stuff around here, man. So never mind those. Every time I turn, they actually don't even make noise until I talk about turning on the camera till I get around the car, and that's so crazy to me, man. So man, y'all disregard them, man. I guess they want to get camera time too. But yeah, man. Yeah, we're gonna eventually get to. We're gonna eventually get there, man. If y'all, I'm just asking y'all to stick it out with me, man. Just keep watching the video, and I'm actually gonna give y'all more content, but it's gonna be in a different direction. I'm gonna get wifey on the page, and we're gonna start doing. The first thing we're trying to do is that one chip challenge, man. I think we're gonna do that one chip challenge. But I'm talking to her and see how she feel about it, and then we're gonna, if she down for it, we're gonna get that and we're gonna drop it on the vlog, man. So like I told y'all, this ain't solely a car channel. It's about me enjoying myself, enjoying life, man. So yeah, man, y'all just stay tuned. Y'all stay tuned to the video, man. And my little cousin calling me again. But yeah, man, y'all stay tuned to the video, man. And I promise you, we're gonna get there. And like I said, if y'all stick with me through these tough times, through these slow processes. Yeah, if y'all stick with me through the slow process, man, y'all would not regret it. Y'all gonna love the end result. And we got, man, in the future, I got big future plans too. Cause once wifey get on the page, man, we're gonna do something for her too. So man, y'all just stay tuned in, man, to the video. Like, comment, subscribe, share the video. All that means a lot, man. All that take, you know, one like, it means a lot, man, just for somebody to like my video. But I'm officially out of here. And y'all stay tuned, and I'm out. Let's